Hi guys, okay. Today I'll review this machine. You know that this machine is very special. This machine will be sent tomorrow morning um, at Sunday, uh, 12 Desember 12 to 20 to 20. 2021, you know, this bonus, you know, that if you buy this machine for me, you will get this bonus 1 kilogram tuner, and then 2 cable lamp, and this switch hub that contain 5 ports, you know. Okay, we'll now we check. The machine is very clean and very special for you. This is okay, like this. We check. Okay, as you see that this machine are very clean and ready to send to the customer. Okay, now we check. Try to use this machine, although there is some problem before this sent to our customer. Okay, now I wanted to copy 10, okay, 10, then 10 ships, okay. Wow, very fast and very crunchy. Okay, like this. Good. Don't worry. Okay, I think that's all about this machine. So tomorrow morning I'll send this machine for our customer, Ibu Nurul Aini Fitriah, Pasyan Pamekasan. Okay guys, thank you for your attention. Thank you about this review, success view. Okay, thank you. Good.